All right, welcome to building a to-do list app with Django and Python. My name is John Elder from Codemy.com and I'll be your instructor today. In this course, we're going to build this simple but pretty cool to-do list app, and don't be fooled by how simple this thing looks. This will allow us to learn all kinds of really cool database stuff. You think about the internet these days, any website is database driven, and you need to be able to create new database entries, update those entries, and delete those entries. And once you learn those fundamentals, you can make just about anything online. And that's exactly what we're going to look at in this course. It just happens to be in the form of this simple to-do app. So with our app here, we can ride the motorcycle and we get a little message that says it's been added. Here it is, it's been added to the list. If we've completed this task, we can cross it off. It'll align through it. If we want to edit it, we can say bicycle. It's been crossed off, and we can click here to delete it. So we'll look at Django messaging to create these little messages. We'll look at all kinds of cool database stuff, and we'll also look at just building basic websites, the web pages themselves with Django and Python. So we're also going to be using the Bootstrap CSS framework in this course. We're going to be using version 4.1.1, I think, the most current version, which is a very, very popular CSS framework. You don't need any other CSS or HTML experience to take this course. In fact, you don't need any Django or Python experience. It would be helpful if you know a little bit of Python, but absolutely not necessary. I'll walk you through step by step everything you need to know. You also don't need any special tools for this course. We're going to be downloading everything we need for free. I'm on a Windows computer, but if you're on a Linux or a Mac, you should be able to follow along with no problems. Python and Django are computer agnostic. It doesn't matter what kind of computer you're on. There's a couple little differences here and there, and I'll try and point those out as we go on. Like I said, my name is John Elder. I have over 30,000 students at Udemy and overwhelmingly high reviews on all my courses. But if you're not satisfied with this course for any reason whatsoever, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee, unconditional, no questions asked. Even if you're just not thrilled with it, you can get your money back. So it's all on me in order to make this a great course, and I think we did a pretty good job. This is actually a pretty fun little app once we get into it. So we're going to learn how to create an app in Django, how to use templates, how to use different CSS things. And of course, we're going to dive deep into models, how to use database stuff. And you're going to discover that it's actually pretty easy to use database stuff with Django. Not quite as easy as Ruby on Rails, but very, very close. And once you learn these basic fundamentals, there's just absolutely nothing you can't build online. So I think this is a pretty fun course. I think you're going to learn a lot of stuff. If you have no programming experience, you'll be fine. If you already know Django and Python a little bit, this course will still be good for you. You'll probably pick up some cool little tips. And of course, it'll reinforce the things you already know, and that should be great. So my name is John Elder, and I hope to see you on the inside.